some massive holes here. I can test the suspension as well. And I dropped it. Little chilly today. I mean, I think it's 16 degrees. I've got just jeans on, so a little bit chilly. Took it for a spin today just to make sure the swing arm is okay and it's no knocking or any strange sounds or handling issues or anything like this. So. And take it easy, make sure everything is okay. Yeah, the camera is still recording. Got remote control here, so that's the rear. If you press again, that's the rear and front. Yeah, I fitted the original exhaust on this, so it's quite I wouldn't say quiet, but yeah, you can't really hear. It was before. It is quite quiet, you can just hear the engine, no exhaust noise at all. Which actually, for a longer trip, might be better. It's gonna be less annoying. I will be taking it to the garage next week, or Saturday actually, just to make sure the alignment is fine and the frame's not bent. I don't think it is, because it wasn't that much of an impact. So that should be okay. I don't know how much you can see, but all that dark patch in the middle, that's all gravel and mud and stuff. As you could expect between farmlands and stuff, so just extra cautious in here. Next week trip, I'll take you through it actually. So we're leaving on Wednesday. I think we're leaving house about 5 AM. We've got the train to France at 7. It's about 2 hours drive. 7:50. Yeah, so 8. And they want you to be there 1 hour before. So we should be there about 7 o'clock in the morning. And then we ride from Calais. I think we're not docking. We're arriving at Calais. I think 9:30. European time, or local time, and then we're gonna ride to just before Dijon. We've got like a campsite booked in. We're not camping. It's like a gypsy caravan we rented. That's where we're gonna spend first night, and then next day in the morning, leaving about 7 probably, or 8-ish. Are we gonna go straight to, I think, Nice, and that's where we're getting ferry from. Ferry's overnight. I think the ferry is 8 o'clock in the evening, and it's docking in Corsica at 7:30 in the morning. So we've got cabin. Obviously I'm gonna show you the cabin. Ferry costs us I think 420 euros from Nice or Calvi? Not Calvi. Calvi, we're gonna stay in Corsica. So first thing we're gonna do north of the first day, we're gonna do north of the island. We're gonna go all around that little I don't know how you call this. If you look on the Corsica, it's just like a finger sticking out on the top. So we're gonna ride around this, and then from Basti go north, then come back down, then go back to Basti, and then we're gonna start riding on the, is it D81, the famous Corsican road. Apparently it's really nice to ride, so picturesque and loads of twisties. So that's gonna be our route from Basti to Calvi, and that's our first night at Corsica. Looks like there's a road right here. I might just take that route, if there actually is a road. Yeah, I think it is the road. No, that was the road. A little bit of, it's not off-roading. The trail riding, oh. A bit wind spin. Hopefully we're not gonna have any harvesters or anything like this. Well, it shouldn't be in this time of the year anyway. Definitely not harvesters, but maybe like some old tractor. I can test the suspension as well. That's a massive hose here. I was thinking after the crash if I'm gonna lose the confidence. I think I'm okay. I'm a little bit rusty because I haven't ridden it for quite a long time. About 3-4 months, like proper riding. I'm not saying like the last time when I got crashed, but like a little bit longer routes and stuff. That was really nice actually. Yeah, I think this guy is gonna stay in Poland. I might buy something lighter. I was thinking about the F650 GS, the Dakar version. Oh, private road? Public footpath? Oh no, maybe here? No? Oh, maybe this way. I don't know if I can go this way. There's a road there. I think someone had a private road and just shut it for public. And I'm pretty sure this is private land. Getting back on the road? Yes, we are. It's like a little detour. Obviously I've got my tires, I think they called 90-10 or something. 10% off-road, 90% tarmac. The Metzeler, I can't remember, Taurus next to or something. I really can't remember. Yeah, I think the bike feels okay. A little bit quiet now with this exhaust, but that's fine. Now we need to get back home. Another off-road truck. Oh, maybe it's just a road to the property there. It's a house there. Okay, go home. Go home. Also, there's new Suzuki DRZ400 coming out soon. I think it's now. Is it? It's May or something. Also, this year's coming out the BMW X450 GS. It's going to be probably expensive because it's BMW, but probably a figure that I like BMWs. Not necessarily I want to pay premium price, but like this guy, perfectly fine bike, and you could buy this for like £2,000-3,000 easily. This is 2005 model. Got 71,000 on the clock now. Yeah, I'm gonna take a U-turn here. I don't know if you know, there's a Gold Top shop. If you want any Gold Top leather goods for your bikes, they do quite good stuff. And I dropped it. Oh. Silly. I'll check the damage at home. I need to stop. Stop dropping it. Okay, I think that's it for today. I think I know where I am now. So we can play camera now. That's a rear. That's my rear mirror now. Oh, the speed showing now, 60 km, 54 kilometers. Maybe the GPS wasn't updated yet, just before. But yeah, okay, we're gonna wrap up for now, and I'll see you on a Wednesday morning, guys. Stay safe. Oh, that was hard. Stay safe, and see you on a Wednesday.